Hi, this is Sriyank Siddhartha and welcome to the next video of this course of Java Fundamentals and Basics. Now in this video, we will learn about how do we install all the required softwares for getting started with this Java series. Now in the first two videos, we will learn about how do we install the softwares for the Windows. And further, we will check out how do we install softwares in the Mac OS separately. So if you are using the Mac OS, then you may skip this video and jump on directly to that video. So first of all, in this video, we will learn about how do we install the Java JDK in case of Windows. So here, first simply go to Google and simply search for Java JDK for Windows. Hit enter and you will get the first link from the oracle.com. So here, simply click on it. You will be navigated to the official page of oracle.com where you can simply download the Java for Windows. Now here you can see Java SE downloads. Now the SE stands for the standard edition, right? And here on the right you will find Java EE and Java ME. So here Java EE stands for Enterprise Edition, right? So but we will simply install the Java Standard Edition. So simply select it. And now down the side you will find the Java SE development kit with the version name. So here I will simply accept the license and down the side you will find the Windows 64-bit machine and the Java for Windows 32-bit machine. Now my machine is 64-bit, so I will simply download this version. And if you are not aware of how much bit is your PC, then simply navigate to File Explorer and then right click on this PC and click on Properties. Here you will find the system type. So my PC is 64-bit, so I will simply download this file. And if you are using the 32-bit PC, then simply download this file that belongs to x86, right? So simply download this file. So after you download the Java JDK, you will find it inside the default downloads folder or wherever you have downloaded it. So I will simply double click on it and launch the application. Hit on yes. And then simply install it as we install any other application. And now hit on next. So it will take some time to install Java in your laptop. So here it says the Java JDK has been successfully installed and now hit on close. Now to verify whether the Java has been installed in your PC or not, for that simply open your command prompt. So simply type cmd and then here simply right click on it and then run as administrator. And here we are currently under the system 32 folder. So simply type cd and then hit enter. Cd space ... hit enter. And now simply type Java. Hit enter. So here you will get all this in front of you. That simply shows what are the Java commands that you can use with this Java command. So if you get this, then your Java has been installed in your PC. Otherwise, please follow the steps again. And now, down the side, let us check out which version of Java we have installed. So simply type Java space minus version. Hit enter and then you will get all the details of the Java installed. And now, after installing Java in your PC, where are all the files stored? So all the files related to Java has been stored inside the C drive. And then simply navigate to program files. Here you will find the Java folder and here you will find this JDK 1.8.0.131 that we have installed right now. And these are the other versions of Java that I need to clean up. And this is the JRE that is installed alongside. Now what this JDK stands for and what this JRE stands for, I will let you know shortly in our upcoming videos. So as of now, catch you guys in the next video where we will complete our software installation. Thank you.